Okay, Miguel, we want you to pit this lap. Pit this lap. Okay, guys, I'm coming in. Whoa, Honk, that was fast. Yep, all that training paid off. It is time. Roger that, Professor. Was it me? Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's review is going to be on Honk Cho. And recently got Honk Cho in the 2018 Singles Taste Tea, which I ordered from Getmecollectibles. So, yep. So, here is Honk Cho. Now, I would like to say before we start off this review, there is two variants of Honk Cho. And I will go over it now, so I don't forget, and at the end of the video. Of course, you can already see that one is made in China, this one, and one is made in Thailand, which is this one. I'll be opening up the Thailand one today because it is more accurate to the one made in China, even though the China one with decals will make more sense, but I do not want the wrong rims or the wheels, because if you look, there's the light-year wheels, which Miguel Caminos does not have any light-year wheels, so it doesn't make any sense. But on this one, which is the Thailand release, makes sense, as you can see, made in Thailand. So it will make more sense if I open up this Honk Cho than I did over this Honk Cho, even though the tool chest is wrong, and I would like this one in the box just because of the tool chest being faced the right way. But that is a shame. Anyways, let's start off the review of Honk Cho. Anyways, there's Honk Cho's name tag. We've got made by Mattel 3+, because I guess the small parts. There he is himself. Of course, the tool chest, the correct wheels. His tiny little artwork there. No bigger than that. Of course, Cars logo. He is in the World Grand Prix series. Here is the back. Of course, Lewis, Nigel, Shu, and Francesco on the back. On the back of this Honk, Shu is replaced by Francesco there, if you are interested. Of course, it says, the World Grand Prix will determine who is the fastest car in the world. Of course, we all know who that is. Mater, for some reason. Anyways, let's start off this review of Honk Cho. Here is Honk Cho out of the package, as you can see. Nice music in the background there. Very nice. Here's his nice little expression. Do like it. Of course, I like all the pitties. I like any type of pitty. So that is pretty cool. And of course, we've got the forklifts here, which are nice as well. On the side, we've got, let's go this way actually. We've got the Spanish flag to indicate Miguel Camino, and we've also got Miguel Camino's designs with this star here too, and of course this red stripe going down. Very nice, pretty cool car. Here's the back. We've got yellow and black as well. Of course, we've got this nice window. On the camera, when I'm actually looking at the Diecast, it's actually orange, but on the camera it comes up yellow for some reason. Anyways, here's the front. We've got the usual cap with this yellow and red. Very nice. And got these nice headset here, which is accurate to the movie. They should have headsets like Nick Picktyre, Adam Park. These are the ones that came with headset. And then there is a cancelled Lewis Hamiltons Pitty, which is my favourite one, which got cancelled. Oh well. Of course, pretty cool. Do like the headset. Put him to the side. Here is his tool chest now. Of course, we've got the World Grand Prix all-in-all symbol and the Spanish flag to indicate Miguel Camino. This does not roll. I've got about 50 of these now in total. Maybe I need to make a video on them, just all in the line or something. There's the back. There's the inside. Pretty cool. Now here is Miguel Caminos' tyres. As I did say, the China release, just to make sure again, China, made in China, has got inaccurate ones. They're a bit like Billy oil changes, whereas this one is more accurate, as you can see. So we'll put this aside, and now we can test it to the Miguel Camino, which is more accurate. It may be a bit blurry because of the Thailand wheels being blurry. As you can see, they are pretty much the same, just maybe a bit different. But yeah, and of course, for some reason there's always this hole in the tyres because you put it into the Pitty and then they carry it around like this, but it makes no sense. Just make more sense to display it like this. If you want to display it like this, make way much cooler. But yeah, that does end the review on Honk Cho. Now, like usual, we'll bring out the team. So of course we've got Miguel here, and we also got Petro Cartolina. Very nice. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite out of the team. I do like Honk because of his name. It does sound like a Spanish name. And also, who else is Spanish? None other than Fernando. Did bring some other Pitties out as well, which is this one, Nick Picktar, Adam Park. Ones without headsets. Pretty cool Pitties here. I just wish the Lewis Hamilton one got released, and then I don't have Terrell Gitry yet. He's the one of two Pitties I need. The base pin Pitty from Star Wars, and then Terrell Gitry as well. And then I'll have every single Pitty ever released, currently up to date. So let me know in the comments below which is your favourite Pitty currently released, including Terrell Gitry, and your favourite team member of Miguel Camino. My next review will be on Marilyn up here, so if you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. The next one, bye guys.